It's a beautiful day today, and great day to start working on the Beamer. Placing the clutch.
Yeah, they spent so many different times trying to jack this thing up.
Custom exhaust. Back to 1 Magnaflow.
Okay, okay, we're gonna have to tilt it that way. Like this.
Oh, this is going well. Holy cow. There I got 4 of them. I'm done already. Loosen up. What?
Well, that worked.
One more, and then I'm gonna loosen two when it falls on me. Okay.
Oh, I got it.
There we go.
I just need to get more leverage.
Okay. Drop yours, and then we gotta pull
Well,
the screws up.
heavy at all, so. Oh, pretty
There we go.
I think I might have
Pull up on the. There it goes.
Should I go up again?
Nope. We're gonna go back from there. So pull back on the whole thing.
I think we're pretty good too.
Okay. Can we go?
Just catching out in the catalytic converter a tiny bit.
Well, let's go down with it like this. Let's go down.
Go down?
Yep. It's amazing how much lighter these are than an automatic, dude. Okay.
Something fall.
Whip it off. Ready?
Oh, wow. Oh. Almost fell. It almost fell.
Right. See, it's BMW, but it's made by Luke. So Luke makes them, and that's what we have is a Luke brand replacement.
Pretty worn out. Yes, think. Ooh.
So we got everything off except for the flywheel. That takes a special bit that costs a lot, but it is the same as a T60 Torx bit, but it's a bit skinnier. The reason it's a bit skinnier is because the bolts are a tiny bit off-centered from the actual holes. So we went to Menards, Napa, AutoZone, Home Depot, and Advanced Auto Parts, but we could not find any T60 bits that were long enough to fit in there. So we just ordered one off of Amazon that we are going to grind down to make it skinnier so it'll fit. While we're waiting for that, I'm going to be doing the radiator, which won't be very hard. We got the old radiator out. It's a little bit dirty, but that's kind of normal for a well-driven car. Here's the new one. Put the rubber grommets on it, so it's just about ready to hop in here. Now that I have the part I need, I can grind it down to make it fit into the flywheel correctly. Mark about there. So I got all of them broken loose now. Now I'm just kind of hand threading them out. Whoops. Alright, got the old flywheel off. Dropped it on my foot, which kinda hurt. Rolled over there. But doesn't seem to have too bad of oil leaks back here. It's a little one at the top, which I'll probably look into that a little more. But it actually seems pretty decent for an old BMW. Or is it not? No. Do this if you want. Oh, it's so close. There we go. What? How's it not up yet? There you go. Yay!
bridge gasket and the rear main seal. Right here.
So yeah, I'm gonna drill it out now. Put a bucket down here to catch the shavings. Looks a little plugged up to me. Yeah, that's what it looks like inside the cat when it's ground out a little.
Where's the last flashlight? There's two. Where's the third?
So yesterday we cleared out the cats and we did the rear main seal and we accidentally scraped off the upper oil pan gasket. And we don't want to pull basically the whole motor apart to replace it, so we did some gasket maker and we were torquing it down with the right torque specs. We cracked the upper oil pan. There wasn't anything inside putting pressure on it and it was bending up, which is how it cracked. Tonight I'm going to JB weld it, hopefully fix it and keep it from leaking oil and stuff. Got the JB weld on, so hopefully it'll stay pretty well and we won't have any oil leaks. Although it is an old BMW, so you can always expect some type of oil leak. So originally we replaced the clutch back in May. But I've been so slammed this summer that I haven't actually been able to edit the video on it. And having college homework and stuff is also pretty tough. But I just dove in and started editing it, and I realized that I could not find anywhere any of the videos of me putting it back together. I think I might have accidentally deleted them. Everything's been holding up pretty well recently. The JB weld isn't leaking, at least from what I can tell. And the clutch works well. Although one thing that we have done since then is done all 4 engine mounts, which were pretty bad. So I'm going to be posting a video pretty soon on that. Just replacing the engine mounts, which isn't too complicated. But the one was completely shot. It literally wasn't held together at all. It was just 2 pieces when it's supposed to be 1 piece. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be posting that video soon, and I'm also just going to add a clip about me just driving it a little to kind of give you a feel of what it's like.